Hi everyone. So this is the third problem of the model. So now let us see here. So the cost of a new machine was given. So that is 4,000 rupees. So cost we can write it as C, that equals to 4,000 rupees. The maintenance cost of nth year is given by R is equals to 500 into n minus 1. So that means R is equals to 500 into n minus 1, where n value goes from 1, 2 and so on. Suppose that the discount rate per year is 0.05. So here also the discount rate was given. So that means 0.05 means here interest rate was given. So what is the interest rate? 0.05, that means 5% was given. So R is equals to 0.05. Now let us calculate it as V. So V is equals to 1 plus R whole power minus 1. So 1 plus 0.05 whole power minus 1, that equals to 0.9523. See, please remember one thing. If you get after decimal immediately a number, then it is a discount rate. But here you got it as in 5%, 10%, it is a interest rate. Okay. So sometimes he will call it as a discount rate. Okay. We need to differentiate like that. So now this is the data given to us. So he is asking us after how many years will it be economical to replace the machine by a new one. So that means he is asking us the present machine best age of replacement. So now let us calculate for the first year. So first year I am going to calculate maintenance cost Rn. So R is given the maintenance cost 500 into n minus 1. Now first year n value is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. So R value will become as 0. Next V power n minus 1. V is power n is 1. V power 0 is 1. Next Rn into V power n minus 1, 0. Next sigma value also 0. So here also whether any scrap value is given, it is not given. So S is equals to 0. So C value will become, C minus S value will become 4,000. Next total cost 4,000 plus sigma. So it is plus 0. So you will get 4,000. Next sigma V power n minus 1, 1. 4,000 by 1, you will get 4,000. Right. So now let us calculate for the second year. So for the second year Rn value. So then n is equals to 2. So 500 into 2 minus 1, you will get 500. Then V power n minus 1. So V power 2 minus 1. So that is V. What is V value? 0.9523. Next Rn into V power n minus 1. 500 into 0.9523, we will get 476.15. Next sigma value. So 476.15 plus 0. You will get 476.15. C minus S, it is constant 4000. Next add these two. So you will get 4476.15. Next sigma V power n minus 1 means 0.9523 plus 1. So 1.9523. Next TC by sigma V power n minus 1. Then you will get 2292.76. Next, so if you see the weighted average, it was decreased. So let's go for third year. So in third year maintenance cost is 500 into 3 minus 1. So 500 into 2, then it will become 1000. So V power n minus 1, V power 3 minus 1 means V square. So 0.9523 square, you will get 0.9070. Next Rn into V power n minus 1, you will get 907. Next sigma value 907 plus 476.15. You will get 1383.15. Next C minus S is 4000 rupees. And next one is total cost. So total cost is equals to 4000 plus 1383.15. So you will get 5383.15. And next sigma v power n minus 1. So 1.9523 plus 0.9070. We will get 2.8593. Next, a weighted average 5383.15 by 2.8593. We will get 1882.68. So as the weighted average value was decreased, so let's go for fourth year. So in fourth year maintenance cost 500 into 4 minus 1, then you will get 1500. Next v power n minus 1. So v power 4 minus 1 means v cube. 0.9523 cube means you will get 0.8638. Then 1500 into 0.8638, 1295.7. Next sigma value 1383.15 plus 1295.7. We will get 2678.85. Next C minus S is 4000. Next total cost, it is equals to add these two, then 6678.85. Next sigma v power n minus 1, 2.8593 plus 0.8638. We will get 3.7231. So Tc by sigma v power n minus 1, we will get 1793.89. Next, so as the weighted average value was decreased, so let's go for next year. So now I am going to fifth year. So in the fifth year, what is the maintenance cost? So 500 into 5 minus 1. So then you will get 2000. So next v power 5 minus 1, v power 4 means we will get 0.8227. Next Rn into v power n minus 1, then you will get 1645.4. Next sigma value, add these two terms, then you will get 4324.25. Next C minus S is 4000. Next add these two, you will get total cost 8324.25. Next sigma v power n minus 1, 3.7231 plus 0.828227. So you will get 4.5458. So then do Tc by sigma v power n minus 1. Then you will get a value of 1831.19. 1831.19. So if you see the weighted average value, again it was increased. So what is the minimal value? 1793.89. This one is the minimal value. So what is the conclusion statement we can write? So we got the weighted average value minimum in the fourth year. So the mission should be replaced at the end of fourth year. So write the conclusion statement finally. So the weighted average is minimum in fourth year. that is 1793.89 rupees. Hence the mission should be replaced at the end of 4th year, right? So this one is the conclusion statement. So like that we are going to solve the problems when the money value is considered, right? So I hope you understand this one also. Thank you.